How to kill a tree stump with oil. After a tree has been cut down, its living stump continues to send out tiny branches. The only way to ensure the stump will not sprout is to kill it. The use of motor oil together with fire forms one very effective method of eliminating a stump. Spreading the motor oil over the tree roots is not enough to kill the tree and is harmful to the environment. Drilling into the stump, pouring motor oil into the holes and setting the stump on fire kills the stump without polluting the surrounding ground. Things you'll need: drill motor, 1-inch drill bit, 12 inches long, funnel, motor oil, measuring cup, matches, chicken wire. Insert the drill bit into the drill motor and ensure that it is securely in place. Turn on the drill and drill 6 12-inch deep holes into the top of the stump. Space the holes 4 inches apart and at least 3 inches toward the center of the stump from the perimeter. Drill holes at a 45-degree angle downward through the bark, starting 3 inches below the top of the stump. These holes must intersect with the holes drilled from the top, but they may be only 4 to 6 inches deep. Insert a funnel into a hole drilled into the top of the stump. Pour half cup of motor oil into a measuring cup and then pour the oil into the funnel so that it goes into the tree stump. Repeat this process until oil has been added to each of the 6 holes drilled from the top of the stump. Wait 2 weeks for the oil to fully soak into the stump. Light a match and drop it into a hole on the top of the stump. Set each hole on fire in this manner. Drape the chicken wire over the stump to keep local animals from getting too close to it. Let the fire smolder. It will go out on its own and the stump will be reduced to ash.